In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall a plugin on WP Engine. If you've been running your website on WP Engine and have been considering cleaning up your plugins, you're in the right place. A streamlined set of plugins not only enhances performance, but also ensures better security and easier management of your site. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll need to log into your WP Engine dashboard. This is your control center, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the WP Admin button. This action will redirect you to your WordPress dashboard, which is where most of the magic happens. Now that you're in the WordPress dashboard, look for the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Installed Plugins. This page showcases all the plugins currently installed on your site. This overview is essential for managing which plugins you want to keep and which ones need removal. Next, browse through the list to identify the plugin you wish to uninstall. It might help to have a clear idea of which plugin is no longer serving your needs or causing issues. With many sites hosting numerous plugins, a little forethought can save time. Once you've found the plugin you want to remove, take a look to see if it's currently active. An active plugin needs to be deactivated before you can delete it entirely. If the plugin is active, you'll see a deactivate option under its name. Click that. This will ensure the plugin stops any current operations on your website, reducing the risk of any unexpected disruption when you proceed with deletion. After deactivating the plugin, you'll notice that the option to delete now appears under its name. Go ahead and click delete. Be sure before you proceed, as deleting a plugin cannot be undone directly through WordPress. If you're certain and ready to proceed, click on delete. A prompt will likely appear asking if you're sure about removing the plugin files. This is your final checkpoint to confirm that you're ready to clean up your installation. Click OK or Confirm to finalize the deletion. You should see a brief message confirming that the plugin has been successfully removed. And there you have it. The plugin is now completely uninstalled from your WP Engine site. Maintaining a clean and efficient set of plugins is crucial for optimizing your WordPress experience. Regularly reviewing and uninstalling plugins you no longer need is a smart practice for any website owner, ensuring you're getting the best performance possible from your site. Thanks for watching, and happy website managing!